Hi everyone, welcome back to another video by Njelife. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make super easy and delicious air-fried cream cheese and crab rangoons. They are so very delicious and easy to make, just a few ingredients, and you got yourself a delicious side dish. Or appetizer or whatever. I'm cooking up some fried rice to go with this. Here is everything I'm going to be using to make these delicious homemade air fryer crab rangoons. Some cream cheese, some imitation crab, your wonton wraps, I'm using these ones, black pepper, garlic powder, and some fresh chives. So to get started, let's put our softened cream cheese in the bowl. Now let's chop up some fresh chives, real small. Let's see how that looks. That's enough, I'd say. Don't want to overdo it. All right, now let's open up our imitation crab. And we're gonna chop this up some more into little pieces. All right, now let's add our seasonings. I'm adding garlic powder and black pepper. All right, time to mix everything together. Okay, once you have everything mixed together, it should look like this. Well, this is what mine looks like. You can use however much crab or chives, or if you don't like chives, green onions, you can leave them out and use whatever seasonings you like too. Now get out your wonton wraps, and I lay them out like this, 4 at a time, and put about a tablespoon of the cream cheese filling in the center. And then get yourself a little bit of water and dip your finger in, because you need to rub it along all of the edges, because this is what makes it stick. You don't want the filling seeping out in the air fryer. All you do is touch the corners, corner to corner, corner to corner, and then squeeze the edges so all the filling stays in there nice and tightly and secure. Oops, I ripped it a little bit. It's okay, just squish it closed. Use a little water and squish it closed. I put too much in this one, so I'm actually just going to fold it like this. Oops, did I rip it again? Oh no. There. It's like an envelope kind of, but that's okay. You can fold it however you like. I'm trying a little less filling now and just adding water one at a time, creating them, and that worked out perfect. So I put a little too much filling in the first round, and there you go. Okay, let's put our first batch in the air fryer. Use some non-stick spray on the bottom first. Okay, I was able to fit 10 in there at the bottom. And I'm gonna spray a little more olive oil spray on top. All right, 350 for 5 minutes. Okay, it just beeped. Let's see what they look like. Ooh, hoo, hoo. They look amazing and perfect after 5 minutes on 350 with some olive oil spray. I'm gonna take them out and put them on a plate. I'm just grabbing the tippy top real quick. They're hot. I'm gonna let them cool down a little bit before I try them. I'll put the next batch in. So I actually just tried one, but for some reason it didn't save. So here goes another one. They are so delicious. And my husband also had a couple. And said they're so good. He only had a couple because I'm still cooking up the rest of dinner. But I'm making some fried rice to go with these. Here's our completed dinners. There's Seth's, the green one, and mine's this one. Did someone order some crab rangoons? Here you go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and try this recipe. And don't forget to click that subscribe button below if you haven't already. Thank you. See you in the next video.